Hello everyone, I am Sitam and I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I have completed graduation in Mechanical Engineering from GS Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur in year 2021. I joined Evision on date 27 August. Here I learn about networking, Linux, cyber security, Windows administrator, virtualization, and so many of things. After training, I got selected in Impact Infotech Private Limited, Pune location. They got offered me 3.36 annum, and thank you so much Evision for all your efforts due to I joined IT companies. Thank you.